Welcome to the Pre-Research Strategies tutorial. Pre-research strategies are activities you do to help you understand the topic you've chosen or have been assigned. The most reliable source of introductory information is from specialized encyclopedias or reference works available through the library. While many of these works are print only, the library has a growing collection of online encyclopedias and reference works. To find an encyclopedia in the area you are researching, go to the library homepage, click on Find Book, and then click on Corbin Search. Type encyclopedia plus a word that describes your topic. For example, Encyclopedia Religion in the search box. Some of your hits may be irrelevant. To narrow the results to electronic encyclopedias, click Full Text Online. If you find a suitable encyclopedia, access it by clicking through the links. For example, we are looking for information on the end times, eschatology. A major issue related to the end times is premillennialism. When you find an article, pay particular attention to the sources for further reading section, i.e. a bibliography, at the end of the article because it often lists good sources for further research. Another source to check for your pre-research is Oxford Reference Online. To access this, go back to the library's website, click on Databases by Subject, and click on Bible Theology Ministry. Then click on Oxford Reference Online. Let's say you're doing some work on Paul's epistle to the Ephesians. You know you would like to do some work related to this book, but not sure exactly what. Oxford Reference Online may be a good resource to discover some of the issues to write about. It provides a brief overview on the book of Ephesians. If you have been unable to find anything from either resource, the web is a good place to look. Wikipedia is the first stop for many students. Whatever your topic, you will usually find something on it in Wikipedia. However, remember, Wikipedia is suitable only for getting an overview of your topic, not as a source of scholarly information that will appear in your bibliography. Say again you are doing a paper on premillennialism. The Wikipedia article gives you an overview of this topic. However, more valuable as a source of information suitable for use in your paper are the bibliographies and links listed at the end of the article. In this case, we find a good number of resources from a variety of perspectives. Used judiciously, Wikipedia can provide reliable introductory material for a topic. It is easy to simply copy and paste information from a website straight onto your paper. Although we will be discussing this more thoroughly in our section on plagiarism, I would like to note that if you do copy straight from any source, including a web page, and put it in your paper, it should be in quotations or in a block quote. We will discuss more about proper citation methodology in the session on plagiarism. Other information on the internet may also be useful, but we need to evaluate it carefully before we use it with our research. Evaluating web material is a topic of another tutorial. This ends the Pre-Research Strategies tutorial.